The Messenger of Allah said, أكمل المؤمنين إيمانا أحسنهم خلقا. That believer who has the most perfect iman. The most perfect iman is the one who has the best character. Now this doesn't mean, listen, like some of us, some in our cultures, in the India subcontinent, they say, oh yaar, dil saaf hai. My heart's clean. Meaning I don't need to pray, I didn't need to fast, my heart's clean. Firstly, Allah said, La tazakku anfusakum. Do not regard yourself as pure. Who are you saying your heart's pure? Yaar? Who are you to say your heart's pure? My heart's pure. But understand, having a pure heart is a part of deen. Because this heart is the general of all the limbs. The Messenger of Allah said, if the heart is clean, if the heart is good, then all your limbs will be good. All your actions will be good. Because this is the general. And if the heart is darkened and black, then all your other actions will not be accepted.